In today's fast-paced world, staying connected and on top of your health and fitness goals has never been easier with the help of smartwatches. And recently, Amazfit introduced another smartwatch in its T-Rex lineup with the Ultra title, offering a rugged and durable design combined with a wide range of features. But the question remains, can it beat the Apple Watch Ultra, which is widely considered the gold standard for smartwatches? In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features of both watches and compare them side by side to determine which one comes out on top. Looking for an animation studio that can turn your story or idea into animated visuals? Look no further than 10 Studio. Our team of experts creates animated explainer videos that simplify complex ideas and bring your message to life. Our experience can help you tell your story in a way that engages your target audience and makes them remember it. Don't miss out on this opportunity to stand out from your competition. Visit our website to know more at www.10.studio. Let's talk about their design and durability. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra are two great options to consider due to their ruggedness and durability. Both smartwatches offer a range of features designed to meet the demands of endurance athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and water sports enthusiasts. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra is built to withstand even the toughest environments. Constructed with super strong 316-liter stainless steel and a patented mud-resistant bridge and buttons, the T-Rex Ultra can resist extreme temperatures as low as -30 degrees Celsius, heat up to 70 degrees Celsius, and is resistant to humidity and shock. Additionally, it has passed 15 military-grade tests, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventurers. The adjustable lugs ensure maximum comfort, and the responsive touchscreen and 4 convenient buttons make it easy to navigate. The Apple Watch Ultra, on the other hand, also boasts a durable design with a 49mm corrosion-resistant titanium case and 100-meter water resistance. The digital crown and buttons are more accessible, making it easier to control, and the customizable action button provides physical control over a variety of functions. The Ocean Loop Band is light and flexible, while the Trail Loop Band is thin and designed for runners. The Alpine Loop Band is rugged and secure, making it a good fit for hikers and climbers. In terms of display, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra's 1.39-inch AMOLED display can reach a peak brightness of 1000 nits for ultra-clear visibility in any environment. The screen is easy to read even in bright sunlight, and the adjustable brightness settings allow you to customize it to your liking. The display is also scratch-resistant, ensuring that it stays in good condition over time. Whereas the Apple Watch Ultra's 1.92-inch always-on Retina display is even larger and has 2000 nits brightness, making it easy to see in any lighting conditions. It offers more room for adding complications to customize your watch face, and features an LTPO display for improved battery life. As for GPS and navigation, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra utilizes both L1 and L5 signals for incredibly precise dual-band GPS positioning, and supports 6 satellite systems for greater global coverage. Import a route file to the watch along with a corresponding offline map and navigate with professional-level environmental understanding. The smartwatch also supports indoor and outdoor freediving to a depth of up to 30 meters and can resist the equivalent of up to 100 meters of water pressure, making it perfect for all your swimming, surfing, and kite surfing activities. The Apple Watch Ultra features precision dual-frequency GPS for accuracy, distance, route, and pace calculations. The redesigned Compass app delivers all new views and functionality, and the Trail Loop Band is designed especially for runners. The Backtrack feature uses GPS to map where you've been, so you can retrace your steps. For water sports enthusiasts, the Oceanic Plus app puts a dive computer on your wrist, and the Ocean Band is light and flexible, with a titanium buckle and adjustable loop for a secure fit even during high-speed water sports. The Sonic Salvation feature sets the Apple Watch Ultra apart from others, as it offers an 86 decibel siren, which can be activated by holding down the action button. This unique feature can come in handy if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to attract attention, whether you're lost, injured, or in need of help. The siren is capable of being heard from up to 600 feet or 180 meters away, making it a reliable and effective tool in emergency situations. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and Apple Watch can track your heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, and various activity tracking features. But you won't find ECG and temperature sensor that Apple Watch Ultra came with. Regarding the battery life, the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra boasts an impressive 20-day battery life, which is among the longest of any smartwatch on the market. It also features a new endurance GPS battery mode for those who love to lose themselves in nature for long periods of time, plus a new automatic GPS battery mode that intelligently adjusts GPS settings based on signal strength to help conserve power. The Apple Watch Ultra offers up to 36 hours of battery life, which is still quite good. It also features the freedom of cellular, so you can call and text without your iPhone and stream your favorite music and podcasts. However, the battery life is not as long as the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. In conclusion, both the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and the Apple Watch Ultra are great options for those seeking a durable and rugged smartwatch with a range of features to suit outdoor enthusiasts and endurance athletes. The Amazfit T-Rex Ultra offers an impressive battery life that Apple Watch Ultra lacks. Apart from that, the Apple Watch Ultra has so many advanced features that are missing in the Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. So we just want to say, Amazfit needs to do a lot of work for their Ultra title. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.